Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for giving so much love to this video. And I think there was a problem which everyone faced with the air care styler, including me, was that when I curl my hair, they look really beautiful, but after some time, all the curls they open up and I don't know how to set it. So if you have seen this video, I have told that I am also facing the same problem and you should use hairspray or hair mousse to keep your curls intact. So finally, I think after that video was shot 1 year ago. So after 1 year, finally, I have hair mousse with me. I think many of you have asked me the same question in the comment section. So here I am trying the same. I have told to use hair mousse or hairspray. So today I'll be using hair mousse for the first time. Even I have never used it. So I thought let's try it with you all. I got this hair mousse. So I went through a lot of tutorials on how to use hair mousse and I just somehow figured out how they're using. So I'll be doing the same. So you are supposed to press it here and okay. That is weird for me as well. I've never used it. So yeah, you're supposed to take this and then I think apply it. I won't use a lot for the first time because even I don't know how this works. I think little more is needed. So weird. You're supposed to evenly spread it. It's a bit sticky though. Little bit more. I'm done with this. Let's start styling now. And yes, before I start styling, many of you had the question, is your air care styler still working? Here it is. It is still working. Let's start. Let's just divide the hair into 2-3 sections and then we work. I have divided my hair into 3 sections. First, I'll be curling these 2 sections and then I'll curl this section. You remember, right? Always away from the face. One, two, three. See, this is curling, but not as per my expectation. I think I need to apply a little bit more mousse on this area and then I'm going to again curl this. Now let's try. I hope this time it works. Oh God, I forgot to apply heat protection. Am I supposed to apply the heat protection on hair mousse before applying the hair mousse? God knows I've applied the hair mousse anyway, so I'm going to apply it on top of the hair mousse. This hair mousse got me so excited that I forgot the heat protection. Yeah, I think we are good now. Let's start again. Let me complete curling and then I'll be back. Finally, I'm done with the curl. Right now the time is, let me check. Right now the time is 7:16 and I'll be keeping you all updated. And yeah, this is going to be a long review because I'll be shooting it tomorrow as well. Today, let me just see how it goes. Tomorrow I'll give you my review. Okay, I'm getting super late, so I need to leave now. Hi! It is 12:27 at night. So this is how my hair looks now. I mean, I feel that wavy pattern is there, but still the curls are not as intact as they were when I just curled them. Curls won't stay intact for more than 4 hours, but still I like this look. After using the mousse, I feel my hair texture is looking better than that because previously my hair used to straighten up. I was not able to keep the curls intact even a little bit. So now I feel it's still a bit better, but I think I used less mousse. I should have used little bit more. So yeah. Okay, I'll give you my full review tomorrow morning. I'll go to sleep now. It's time for my personal review on the hair mousse. My hair feels greasy. It really feels greasy and now I have to shampoo my hair because I can't go anywhere with this. So you can still see a little bit of waves going around. I did comb my hair before sleeping yesterday night. So I can tell you the hair mousse did work, but I think I was supposed to use more mousse. But I don't know, with this quantity only my hair feels so stiff. So the best thing would be using a mousse, going to the party or wherever you want to go with the curls. Next day, just wash it with shampoo is the best option because my hair feels very greasy and dry. Also, it triggered my dandruff, so I need to use my anti-dandruff shampoo again. I was just waiting to make this review and then I'll shampoo my hair. Yeah, and of course it worked. I won't say it did not, but you are supposed to use, I think, a good amount of mousse. That also I'll try someday when I go to some party. I might share a reel or a video on that as well. But as of now, I'm not using it again to show you all because I feel my hair is already damaged now. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye.